Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick pose of a person in a belly flop position. So if you have a pencil all set, you're going to do some framework. A belly flop primarily is a swimming pose, and we are showing this from a more challenging angle, not from the side. Actually, it's pretty challenging from the side, but we are showing it from the front angle, and the head will be somewhere here, like so. The collar structure is there, so the chest will be showing somewhere along these lines. We have delts here. Arms will be most likely spread out, and we'll see what we can do with those. So the best way to go around it is one piece at a time. So let us go and put down the face first. Might as well be a smile, because if it's a belly flop, most likely it's a fun routine and a person will be in a festive mood performing such an entertaining activity. So a smile might do, but not necessarily. And then we have the concentration of the delts, and they come into the pec area. Whether somebody has pecs or not, they will come around here, and that is the chest area. And the front will end somewhere there on this. And then as we go to the back, we will essentially put in another guiding frame there, a circle, depending on how much we want to move the person who is in view and performing this. We will just go and put out the lower part of the body right there and go right back. We did mention there would be foreshortening in this, and there is. And the shin and the calf area would be there, and there's the upper part of the foot. And there is the thigh going in to the lower part of the torso. But the hand now, which is and the other leg, of course, so also shown from, we could vary the angle a little bit and just show the foot, like that. Now the hands necessarily will extend out. So there's one arm there. Actually, this arm will be the same as that arm, so there's some foreshortening right there. So we'll do rings here, or you could just first draw a line there. That's the elbow, and there's the forearm, hint of the elbow, and there's the other arm, and the hand coming into view like that. Same exercise here, and is going to pretty much be along the same lines. Now the belly flop action could also be used, as you might have deduced, for different poses, like flying poses. We could use the same frame, just put out the arms, extend them, and there person is. That could still be a belly flop. Somebody who's really accomplished at belly flopping and was very confident, with the arms stretched and coming down. That could be that, or we could bring the arms closer here, make this into a fist, and this arm, however, will come around here with a fist right there, and then we could, from that angle, make this a flying pose. If we get rid of the legs would necessarily go back and the foot would be there somewhere, and it would be a flying action. So different purposes can be accomplished, but we are going to stick with our primary framework of the traditional belly flop pose as we had decided, and hence we are just outlining those features so that they can be clearly seen without any confusion. We'll give a smile there. So all the rest of the structure, of course, will depend on the person performing this particular action, but these are the core details that we need to stick with, and we should be okay. So there we are, traditional belly flop, and for that body type, and the easy way to get around it. So we have other poses, swimming poses, flying poses, jumping poses. Please do check those videos out as well. We put content pretty much every day, so please subscribe and keep in touch. Till the next video, have yourself a wonderful day.